What up, guys? Working on a small project today and getting ready to cut the hood to install a hood vent that I've been meaning to do for a while. Just been putting it on the back burner. But since I don't really have much to do, might as well just throw the hood vent on because I'm probably gonna go to the track next week. So might as well just put that vent on and get some cooler temps going because I've been dealing with some high cooling temps. And if you guys know these cars, yeah, we don't really have much in terms of like ventilations under the hood, so it gets really warm under there. So the best options is to upgrade the radiator, or you can get one of these hood vents from JC Speedworks on Facebook. You can, they're really solid. So yeah, that's my project for today. So stay tuned. As you can see, I've already went ahead and marked up where I need to cut out. This would be the inside line right there. That's what I need to cut out for the vent to fit. I've already drawn my setting line, marked, did everything through with the instructions that he gave us. So it should be, just need to get the hood off and ready to cut off. But here's the vent right here. It's a really nice design, really good quality, powder coated and everything. So can't wait to see what it looked like on there. Test fitted, bam, very nice. Now all I need to do is just add the rivets along the edges to fully flush it, and it should be good to go. But oh yeah, whew. I'm also gonna run to the auto parts store and grab some paint to spray around the edges of it, that way it doesn't rust out. Yeah, you can see right there, that's the radiator right there, so you're gonna get proper cooling efficiency right there, so it's not gonna be hot no more. Let's close the lid. Easy as pie. Whew. Can't wait. All right, guys, so it's done right there. Everything is riveted in. Pop the hood real quick. See what I look from underneath. Oh, yep. Right there. I went ahead and cut a few more of the support, the structural support on the hood. And because I've been meaning to do that because the intercooler was like hidden there for a while, so I've been meaning to cut it anyway. So I went ahead and did that. Shaved a little weight because I'm adding weight, so I might as well shave some off. But it looked good. Can't wait to see what it does. finally this car can breathe. It's always toasting underneath every time you pop the hood. So now got room for something to escape. Well, that's my project for the day. And I'll end the video right here. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.